Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best electric coffee grinders which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
Baratza Forte BG, commercial durability and advanced functionality. The Forte BG is a powerful brew grinder, offering exceptional cup quality for home or professional settings. Perfect multi-purpose brewing for a single cup or larger batch, with the unique ability to grind by time or by weight using the integrated scale. Operate the Forte using touchscreen controls. Switch between timer and weight-based operation with ease. Select your grind time to within 1/10 of a second, or choose a dose weight to the 1/10 of a gram. Save your setting to one of 3 customizable presets in each mode for future use. Grind from French press coarse to espresso fine, adjusting with precision using 10 macro steps, each with 26 micro steps of adjustment. The Forte can be calibrated with ease using the included tool. A simple twist sets the grind range exactly where you need it. The Forte BG uses steel flat burrs, which are optimized for coarse grinding. Cleaning is easier than ever using the included burr removal tool. And use the shutoff hopper to quickly switch coffees. With heavy-duty construction and precision burrs, the Forte BG provides high-quality coffee for the cafe or for the home. Baratza, we grind, you brew.
The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder combines high performance with classic styling to deliver gourmet results every time. Flawless fingertip control lets you grind enough beans to brew up to 12 cups of coffee, quickly and with minimal noise. And the bowl, blade, and cover are dishwasher safe. It's how great coffee gets made. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
The Baratza Encore, the go-to home coffee grinder for both new coffee fans and longtime aficionados alike. A simple on-off switch runs the grinder continuously. Use the pulse button to top off your grind. No fuss, just fresh coffee. The Encore has 40 separate grind settings for precise control of grind size. Just turn the hopper to select the perfect grind for your brew. Baratza grinders are built with quality parts and are fully user-serviceable. Enjoy world-class warranty and technical support from the Baratza team. Baratza, we grind, you brew.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. If you're a coffee lover, you know there are really only a couple of secrets to making great coffee: good water and fresh beans. But of course there's a third secret, and that's to keep the beans from losing their flavor by grinding them right when you need them. Listen to it. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is quieter than any of the leading competitors. It has stainless steel blades, and you can use it to grind spices as well as coffee. There is a removable grinding chamber, so cleaning up is a snap. There's also easy cord storage, so it won't take up a lot of space when you're not using it. Now that's good thinking.
This is the Cuisinart Supreme Grind Burr Grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a 1/2 pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in, put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. But something I should mention is that it goes from fine just by twisting this all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium and I'm just going to hit start. And there you have it. And then all you do is you remove the chamber in the front here. You don't even have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter and you'll have a beautiful, fresh and flavorful cup of coffee by using the Burr grinder.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.